Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 727. The number 727 is a mix of the qualities of the number 7 and the vibrations of the number 2. The number 7 shows up twice, which makes its effects even stronger. The mystical number 7 is the number of feelings and emotions, spiritual awakening and growth, purposefulness and determination, discernment and good intentions, introspection and inner wisdom, empathic and psychic abilities, higher learning and research. Balance, harmony, duality, peace, adaptability, diplomacy, receptivity, love, charm, understanding, mediation, cooperation, faith, trust, your life's purpose, support, and encouragement are all things that are linked to the number 2. If you see the number 727, it means that good things are about to happen in your life. This may be something you've been waiting a long time to hear. Use this new information to your advantage and to help other people. Angel number 727 is also a sign from the angels that it's time to start living your own truths. You are being told to serve your life purpose and soul mission with passion and persistence, knowing that you are on the right life path. The angels want you to stay on the path you're on. Angel number 727 is a sign that you should keep listening to your inner wisdom and the angels' advice about the next steps on your spiritual path. Stay still, listen to your higher self, and pay attention to the intuitive insights you get. Keep an eye out for signs, coincidences, and omens, and pay attention to your gut feelings, or inner knowing. Keep a good attitude, and look on the bright side, and know that the angelic and spiritual realms are looking out for you. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching,